Hi, I'm Leslie Lopez from Mexico.
I'm Aditya Malhotra from the United States of America.
Hi there, I'm Nimi Swen, representing Nigeria.
Hi, I'm Rosar from Mardan, Pakistan.
My name is Poojan Jain.
I'm Ann Usang from Nigeria.
I'm Kiran Amin Panjwani from Karachi, Pakistan.
I'm Mohammad Shahriar Al-Musakim.
I am Swapnil from India.
Hi, I'm Yuan from Northern Ireland and I'm a Cloud Club captain at Ulster University.
Carnegie Mellon University.
From Now University of Nigeria.
At Silhouette University.
At Abdul Wali Khan University.
At the University of Uyo.
University of Lucknow.
At Universidad de Monterrey.
From DHSFI University, where our aim is to promote the AWS cloud learning for the cloud enthusiasts like you all.
So being a Cloud Club captain enabled me to learn from the awesome resources, work with AWS employees, and arrange conferences like AWS Cloud Day in Bangladesh.
As a pioneer in tech communities, I joined because of my fascination with cloud technologies.
Cloud computing is a concept that's not very prevalent in my university, and this inspired me to apply for the role of a Cloud Club captain.
I got a chance to meet so many peers who had the same interest in cloud computing.
I had noticed the vast amount of Nigerians who are very enthusiastic about tech but have little to no opportunities to grow and thrive.
It's an opportunity that not only enhances technical expertise but also instills leadership qualities.
It offers you a platform to enhance your technical skills, conduct webinars, organize workshops with AWS professionals.
For me, this was a great opportunity to network with new people all around the globe, even to make new friends, and obviously to learn more about Amazon Web Services.
This position has been my stepping stone to my goal of being an AWS authorized instructor.
As a Cloud Club captain, I've delved deep into cloud services, connected with like-minded individuals, and organized impactful events.
I decided to become the voice and the change I want to see by ensuring that Nigerians also have availability to these opportunities.
It will also provide you with the opportunity to learn and build your own skills in cloud computing.
And we do teach the awesome technology called AWS.
For an exciting journey of growth, learning, and friendship, join AWS Cloud Clubs now.
If you're thinking about it, I recommend give it a go.
I'm rooting for you 100%.
So what are you waiting for? Join the AWS Cloud Clubs now.
We'd love for you to join us.
See you in the journey.